Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to work on a couple things here. The fuel pump. We have a Walbro 255 liter per hour pump here, pretty standard. Next, we have the MRP 4AG timing belt guide. And we had a situation where the timing belt chewed itself up from, I guess, deflection and excessive play. So we're going to put this in there hoping to solve the deflection issue at 6,000 or so RPM. All right, let's get to it. All right, so according to MRP, the bearing here is going to rest up against the timing belt, the flat side of the timing belt. So we need access to get to the block because it's going to utilize the two bolt holes in the block that was originally designed for the front wheel drive engine mounts. So that means we're going to have to take the timing belt cover, timing belt, the two camshafts off, and get to this backing plate here because we need to cut a notch there to allow this to sit in its place. So all right, let's do it. All right, so at this point, as you can see, we have the timing belt off, cover, cam gears, the cover, everything needed to get to the location of the mounting points. But the backing plate needs to be modified. We need to make some cuts to clearance the area so this can sit flush on the engine block. So what I'm going to do is take a silver Sharpie and I'm going to make some markings here so I know where to cut. So it looks like that. At the bottom we have a line here. I'm going to keep this mounting nut here so we can put the cover back on. So that's going to stay. Just got to remind myself that. Yep, there's another mounting point here. So I think that should be able to go straight in. They have a little recess here, so. All right. All right, so here you can see the markings that I made. Key critical things I want to look at here is the mounting points here. We have one that goes through the block, the two for the timing covers. And what I'm going to try to do is trim and adjust it so I can have it mounted yet be strong enough, because it looks like if we cut all the way through, this is going to be a second piece that I don't want to be missing from the top part. So all right, let's go to the bench and cut it up. All right, so I just mocked it up. This is how it's going to look without the backing plate. All right, guys, as you can see, we just finished installing the stabilizer from MRP. I think it's a really good kit. It's nicely built, and yeah, besides the constant trimming and test fitting, I think it went overall pretty well, and it should help us fix the timing belt slop that we are experiencing. Highly recommend it. All right, everything's buttoned up. Let's see if it starts. All right, we're good.